She looked pretty with no makeup on. She proved them made us wrong. She got a look for the masses, call her Saint Laurent. Yeah, she don't stay for long. Now she don't play, she gone. Ain't got no time for games, she's looking for where she belongs. Ooh, I just wanna be alone with you.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you are a returning subscriber, you know what we say. Karibu tena na tena. Anyway guys, I know it's bad hair day, but I'm going to the salon today. Today is on Thursday. So yeah, I'm about to order for a boss and leave for the salon in a few. So I guess the next clip that you're gonna see is me in the salon. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to record on my way, but yeah, it's self-care day, you guys. See you in a few. Yeah, welcome back. Today is on Friday. I came from the salon a bit late. They were finishing at around 10, so I couldn't do much. I was supposed to go for a photo shoot for the hair and the nails, but I couldn't since we finished at around 10 and the studio was already closed. So we figured let me just go home and then I come back today. Now today is on Friday, so it's around 2, so I'm supposed to head to town, pass by the salon, do my makeup, and then you can head to the studio. I'm not sure if I'll be able to capture the behind the scenes, but if I won't be able to, I hope I can at least post pictures or something. Yeah, we'll figure it out, guys. And I'm sorry for the intro video. You guys, being a new content creator is hard. Sometimes you forget how you're supposed to hold your phone, kind of affects how your video turns out. So sorry, guys. Yeah, let's head out.
She looked pretty with no makeup on. She proved them made us wrong. She got a look for the masses, call her Saint Laurent. Yeah, she don't stay for long. Now she don't play, she gone. Ain't got no time for games, she's looking for where she belongs. Ooh, I just wanna be alone with you. Ooh, I just wanna do things with you. She looked pretty with no makeup on. She proved them made us wrong. She got a look for the masses, call her Saint Laurent. Yeah, she don't stay for long. Now she don't play, she gone.